Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Coffee, Tea, Paper. My name's Louise and I do apologise for the lateness of our video of our CTP 2024 Calm journal prompts this week. If you're a regular viewer here, you will know that I have been away. We went on a bit of an impromptu holiday because we had to get out of our house after our renovation because our floors needed to be polished. And yes, so we were lucky enough to have a wonderful little holiday. If you were watching last week, I actually filmed that with a very bodgy setup and I didn't have my microphone or anything, but we traveled to Singapore and Malaysia, which was really nice. We spent some time in Penang, in Georgetown, and Kuala Lumpur, and a little bit of time in Singapore as well. And we didn't really do much, in perfect honesty. We were all so exhausted. We were quite happy just to have a bit of relaxing. My husband in particular has had a very stressful year so far, and yeah, with all the renovation and everything, it's been quite the ride. We did, however, take our golf clubs because we're mad, and that really complicated factors. But we managed to get 3 rounds of golf in together as a family, which was really fun. Very hot, very fun. Monkeys, monitor lizards. Yeah, it was an adventure. We also had a bit of problem with some transfers and things because we had to book things at the last minute and then people pulled out, and yeah, so we ended up having a bit of an epic 6-hour bus journey across Malaysia, which yeah, I'm not sure if my back and neck will ever quite recover. But you know, that's travel, that's adventures, and yeah, sometimes you just have to go with these things and see where life takes you. And anyway, so I have been very busy when we got home. We had no furniture. We had to have the furniture delivered. Everything is absolutely filthy, covered in sawdust. So Sunday afternoon it is now. This is the first opportunity I've had to sit down. I've vacuumed my desk. So yeah, first opportunity I've had to sit down and look at my journal. I was hoping to do it during the week, but yeah, with one thing and another, I didn't have an opportunity to sit down and film. So we're still working with the journal prompt that my daughter selected for me and put together for me. Here's the one we had last week. So let's put that to one side. So yeah, it'll be back to normal next week. It's just the last couple of weeks it's been all over the shop, just with holidaying and the house, and yeah, crazy. Oh, and it was my daughter's birthday as well on the day that we got back and had the furniture, and yeah, so how'd she spend her birthday? Cleaning. But I did make the time to make her favorite birthday cake. I'll put a little video here of our floors in our kitchen, and we also had to go and get the birdies back as well from the birdie holiday place that they go to. So yeah, it's just been, I won't mention the washing, but I'm so grateful that I have a laundry, a beautiful laundry with a washing machine with hot and cold water, and so grateful. So I'm not complaining about the 22.5 loads of washing and of clothes and cleaning cloths and everything. We like to make our lives complicated, don't we? We really do. So let's see what my daughter's put together for us for this week. As you can see, I haven't looked at it at all. Oh, we've got a bit of, is that 2 bits of washi tape? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well, we'll see. Okay. Oh, I can already tell I like what she's picked out for me. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, Leo Tolstoy. Stop a moment, cease your work, look around you. Wow, who knew? I love this. I love this. All we've done in the last couple of days has been work, 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 as you do when you come back. And I have actually taken a moment now and then just to stop and appreciate how far we've come this year and how much we've achieved. And I feel so grateful. That's got to be the word. Just so grateful, so appreciative, and relief. Relief that our lives may now be able to get back to what passes as normal in this house. Yes, we weren't really that organised. We forgot to check the dates when school went back, so my son's had an extra week of school holidays. We got an email from the school saying, your son's absent. And we were like, whoops, daisy. So yeah, it hasn't been, we haven't, our parenting skills have not been shining in the last week or so. But what do you do? It's all been a bit haphazard and chaotic, and normally we're very much people who plan. Okay, let's see if one of these ladies look really about stopping a moment and look around you. I think it's got to be between these 4. And I think I'm going to go with her. Oh, I did do, because, this is who I am, I did do a travel journal as well. I won't do a whole flip through. I'll just show you my cover here. Just picked up a few bits and pieces. My cover page. And I haven't finished it yet. It's a little bit, got a bit of chonky chonk happening here. And yeah, I've done a bit of a map of a walking tour that we did, and yeah, anyway, there's a little sneaky peek for you, but I'm looking forward to having a bit of time to finishing that off as well. I've got a pile of things that I want to stick in it that I've been collecting, but yeah. Not quite as organized as my holiday at the end of last year, beginning of this year, but that really needed to be organized. You're away for so long and visiting family and friends and so forth. It's a little bit different this time. Okay, we've chosen our young woman who is stopping a moment. She actually looks a lot like a daughter of a friend of mine, and she's a lovely, lovely young lady. I've got a bit of blue and this sort of peachy colour, so I want to let's write the quote on here before we do anything. Okay, so I might just get sticking. I'm gonna have to try and do it fairly quickly because I don't want to spend a long time editing this video, because I want to get it out quite promptly for you. I'm actually going to ditch that. Yeah, so I might just whack on a little bit of music, and I'll check in at the end with you. This sticker is actually from a range of free printables from Ferris Wheel Press, and it's available on their websites. Yeah, they seem to be starting to get a bit more proactive again in the Southern Hemisphere and the various regions around. So yeah, but I'll more on that in another video. Yeah, but yeah, so if you like their sort of whimsical designs and things, go and check out. And they've got stuff for bullet journalers in particular too, um, like little calendars and things in different styles. So yeah, all you need is a printer and some paper, and away you go. Now, as am home, I mean, I should just use the things that my daughter has prepared for me, but I really just want to put in a few of these dots. Everything else is a bit big, and I'm not quite sure I can work it on to the page. So I'm just going to cheat a little, and finish up with some of these clean color dots, just to add a few little extra bits on the page. And I'm going to call this done for week 29. Wow. How did that happen? Anyway, I really appreciate your patience while we've had such a peculiar number of weeks, and particularly in these last couple of weeks. Yep, don't forget, if you're following along and you want to have a look at other people's pages on Instagram, check out the hashtag CTP2024 Calm Journal Prompts. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a bit more of a normal videoing and editing, and spending a bit more time with you guys from now on for the rest of the year. Fingers crossed. Okay. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.